Hi everyone, my name is Kara Pyland and this is my screencast presentation on makerspaces. I find it rather interesting that makerspaces have been around for quite some time now, yet most people I know, including myself at first, do not know anything about makerspaces. Makerspaces are very effective ways to utilize a space or place paired with technology of some sort for the benefit of the learner. Learners use makerspaces to create, innovate, prototype, and evaluate items and projects. Learners interact within the makerspace. They're thinking and planning what it is they are about to accomplish, create prototypes of these projects, and then test them out, all within the makerspace, and evaluate how their ideas worked. Through the tools provided in the makerspace and the overall environment of the makerspace, students are able to turn knowledge into action. Makerspaces can be any place that aims to teach through active participation and development of some sort of project. In the classroom, makerspaces can look like all sorts of different things, but ultimately, teachers need to help facilitate makerspace environments by providing all the necessary elements of a makerspace, including tools, media, stimulating artifacts, as well as a safe and inviting place for learners to gather. By creating these types of spaces for students to gather and take action, teachers can help students to make, share, give, learn, tool up, play, and participate in their own education. For any of this to happen, though, makerspace facilitators must decide what their purpose is, who their champions are, and what type of stuff they're going to need. Students that participate with makerspaces develop 21st century employment skills such as problem solving and creative thinking. They also learn to play at their own pace by developing self-confidence through the designing process. Students learn about important science, technology, engineering, art, and math concepts, explore their interests and develop solutions, build connections with those around them, and learn collaboration skills. Students also develop fine motor skills and learn through trial and error as they engage in these makerspaces. Through my own bit of research, I was able to find an application that could be used through personal devices within a makerspace in my classroom to help facilitate an aspect of the designing process. This app is called Tinkercad. So we're going to go out of the presentation and take a peek at what it is. So as you can see here, I've created a sign-in so I could see how their application works. You can pick from tons of different shapes here at the right. Let's see, basic shapes. Here we go. And you can drop them onto the building plane, such as this sphere. If I were to take it, I can drag it and put it right on the plane. And you can make it bigger, you can move things around. There's all kinds of different fun ways to create and design here on Tinkercad. There's a whole bunch of other aspects to this application that allow students to manipulate these shapes into projects. Students can select different types of shapes to build whatever and however they like. I like that this app is easy enough for elementary school students to use and navigate, which is one of the reasons I chose to explore this app. My goal as a makerspace facilitator will be to help my students use as many different resources as possible within our classrooms and makerspace to innovate and create however they like and prefer, whether that be through an application such as Tinkercad or through more physically interactive tools and methods.